Hello friends, once again I'm back with another interesting, informational and very useful video of how to download, install and set up Java into our computer. So this video is gonna be a complete tutorial, and so by the end of this video you're gonna actually be able to do it on your own. But also don't miss any steps, because if you miss any steps then you may get into confusion. But also I am trying to make the steps super simple so that you can actually do it without any confusion. So before we start installing Java into your computer system, before we start anything, we have to do something. So for that we just actually need to go here and then search and click cmd, which means command prompt. So you would see something like this, command prompt, and when you see something like this you gotta need to open it. So an interface like this will open, and then you have to click Java, Java. You have to enter Java space hyphen version, version, and click enter. So when you enter Java version, it shows out Java is not recognized as any internal or external command, operable program or batch file. This means that Java is not installed in this computer. But when you install Java into this computer, it's gonna show the version that it has got installed. So since our computer doesn't have Java, we do not have any versions on here. And again you can also enter Java C, Java C space hyphen version, version, and click enter. When we enter both Java version and Java C version, it always shows the same. It is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. It simply means that the Java is not in our computer. So for this, now close the command prompt, or you can just simply leave it here. Just simply close it, and then you're gonna need to go to any search engine. So I'm using Chrome for this, so I'm going to Chrome, and then now click on here, Java download. Now click on Java download. For Windows 10, since my computer is Windows 10, you can actually just leave it with Java download only. So when I click on here, so just wait for a little bit. So now there's an option from www.java.com, and the second one, I'm going to do it from second one. This is the Oracle side. Okay, just click on here. So when you see now that there's an option for Java 22, Java 21, Java 17, so you can actually download anyone. This is the latest version. The latest version as of now is Java 22. You can download Java 22, but for me I'm going to download Java 17 because I'm using React Native for mobile app development. So in React Native, Java 17 is supported, not Java 22 is not supported. So for the sake of it, I'm just gonna download Java 17. But if you are a web developer, you can just download any out of these three options. So for me, I'm gonna just download Java 17. So now you see this is for Linux. This is not for Windows, and also this is for Mac OS, and this is the Windows version. So for this, you don't need you can also download the first one, but this is going to be another process. So I'm going to just go away with I'm just going to do with the second one, x64 installer, because the process will be super simple with this one. So I'm just going to click on that. Right after clicking on it, it will just automatically download here. So you just need to wait a bit. So right now guys, we have completed the downloading process. So we are gonna actually need to go to the file explorers to look whether our download is completed or not. So here, this is our download. So for this, to start the installation process, we're gonna actually need to click on it, double click on it. Here is our application. So now we are starting the installation process. Just gonna wait for it. So now there it is. Welcome to the installation wizard for Java SE Development Kit. So click on next. This is the program path where your Java is going to be installed. Click on next, and then now the installation process is about to start. Now it's not going to take a long time. It's just going to be taking a little bit of time, but not much. Okay, so just wait. So I think so now our Java is completely installed in our computer. So just now you need to close it, and then the next step we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the program path. You need to go to the path where it shows the program path, right? So for it, you need to go to this PC and then click on local disk, click on the program files here, and then click on Java, and now there it is, JDK 17. Click on it. This is the program files. This is the files of the Java. So now click on blank somewhere around here, left click, just one click, and then right click on this and click on copy. Now you need to actually go to start, then click on settings, and then here you need to find system variables, SYSTEM, system variables, VARIABLES. It is the system environment variables. You need to click on it, then click on environment variables, and here the system variables is system variables. There is the system variables. So click on new here, and now with capital letter click enter Java, JAVA, Java. No, not in the variable value section, but the variable name section. Okay, JAVA, Java underscore home, HOME, home. And in the variable value you need to paste the path you copied earlier. Okay, you need to click on paste. Now click on OK, right? And then the Java home is created under the system variables. It's created in the system variables. Okay, and then you need to find a name, the path value is here, right? Click on path, click on edit, and wait for it. Click on here, click on bin. This is the earlier that we had, right? So click on bin, click on it, copy. So in this we have another bin here, right? The bin is the extra, right? So just minimize this and click on new. This is in path. Okay, just need to know this is in path. Here this is the path, right? So this is the path. When you click on path, click on edit. This is when you need to click on new, and then paste it here, right? And click on OK, and click on OK. Okay, now the thing is, the installation process is now completed, the setup process is now completed. So by this time you can run your command prompt and check whether, so there it is, the command prompt, but I'm gonna type it COMMAND command prompt here, right? Command prompt here, this is the command prompt, open. Now here with small letter type JAVA Java space hyphen version VERSION version. Click on enter. Now it's gonna show the version of Java that is installed in your computer. I installed the 17 version, right? So here it shows 17.0.12. This is our version. And also you can also check JAVA C Java C space hyphen version VERSION Java C version, right? Click on enter. This is also gonna show the version. So now earlier when we run this command Java space hyphen version, it shows that Java is not recognized, and same for this. But this time after I've installed, I've added it to my system, it shows that it shows the version, right? 17.0.12. So this is how you can actually set up Java into your computer system. So guys, if you like it, just leave a like and also share it to your friends, and also please don't forget to subscribe